Merry Christmas from Drawing with Justin. Some people have asked me, Justin, do you live in a snow globe here? And I don't know if I'm ready to answer that. But today, we should draw a snow globe. Before we do that, please do subscribe. I've got a new draw along video coming out every single day all the way through Christmas. The ones we've drawn have been super fun. The ones we're about to draw coming up, they're super fun. But right now, we gotta draw a snow globe. So subscribe and let's draw a snow globe. For our snow globe, we're gonna start with the globe. That's just gonna be a big circle in the middle of our page here. You ready? Here we go. Big circle in the middle of our page. That's fun. Great. All right, once you've got that in, we need to draw the stand that our snow globe sits on. So I'm gonna draw a straight line out like this, and a straight line out like this. Awesome. Once you've got the sides in, just connect them with a curve, like this. Connect them with a curve. Like that. Great. All right, now we get to fill the inside of our snow globe with all kinds of fun stuff. For our snow globe, we're gonna have a hill, we're gonna have a house, and we're gonna have a tree, okay? So let's start with that hill. I'm gonna start a curve right here, and it's gonna go up like this. Then it's going to go down like that. Awesome. Great. That is the hill in our snow globe. All right, let's draw that house. Draw a straight line up. That's going to be the side of our house. And a straight line up like that. Got it? Okay. Now our roof is going to be a V shape, okay? So it's going to be a line that goes this way. And then this way. Let's do that again right above it. Same exact thing. Two lines creating an upside down V. Got it? Okay, great. Connect those on the sides. All right, our house needs a door, and I think it'd be fun if it was curved. So I'm gonna draw a curve from one side of the door to the other. Great. And then let's give it a square window inside of that. So I'm going to draw a straight line like that. And then two straight lines on the side. And a straight line on the bottom. Now, if your window is getting too small, you drew your house too small, that's okay. You don't have to do these details. But I'm going to add a little cross inside of our window to make it look like a window. So I'm going to draw a straight line up and then straight line across. Kind of like you're writing a plus sign or a T inside of that square you just drew. All right. Okay, we're almost done with house details. We're going to add a doorknob, which is just going to be a dot or a filled in circle right there. All right. Our snow globe house needs a chimney. So draw a straight line up from the roof. Straight line across. And a straight line up. Okay, at the top of our chimney, draw 2 straight lines up like that. It's going to be the top of our chimney. And then a line across. There you go. All right, we should draw a path in the snow coming up to our house. So I'm going to start right at the door here. Right at this side of the door, and I'm going to go this way. And then we're just going to draw an S curve. It's going to be a backwards S, but it's going to come out this way and go back this way. So we swung out and came back. Let's do that again on this side. Go out, swing in, and swing back out. Fantastic. All right, let's draw that tree in here. And we already know how to draw a Christmas tree. Let's draw a very different Christmas tree, though, than the one we drew in a previous video. Okay? This time what we're going to do is, like the roof, we're just going to draw an A shape or an upside down V. There's one line. And here's the other. Then I'm going to connect the bottom, but instead of doing it with a curve, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw little lines like this all the way over. See how I did that? I'm going to do that right above it too. Just little lines going all the way across. Let's keep going. All the way up to the top of the tree. Just little lines. All right, our tree needs a trunk here, so I'm going to draw 2 straight lines down, connecting it to the ground. Great. All right, I know that's what I said we were going to draw is just a house and a tree, but I can't stop. We need a snowman in this snow globe. So draw a curve that starts right about here and then goes around and connects back to the hill. Let's do that again. Curve that starts here on that bottom part of our snowman, goes around, connects back. All right, one more time. Curve like that. Let's give our snowman some arms. Straight line out. Straight line out. And then smaller little straight lines for his fingers. Great. I'm going to give him some buttons. So just like the doorknob, we're going to draw a dot. I'm going to draw 2 dots on the bottom, 1 dot in the middle. And I don't have enough room to do his face, but if you do, you should definitely draw his face. I'm going to give him a hat. Let's draw a straight line at the top of his head. 2 straight lines up. And then a straight line over. Let's go ahead and fill that in. All right, and with that, you are ready to color your snow globe. Great job drawing your snow globe, guys. That was a lot of fun. I'll see you in the next video, and Merry Christmas!